Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I made a vlog. So for today's video is I'm going to unbox my late late birthday present again from Brady. So yeah, Brady. So what I got is we went to Kate Spade outlet. So he bought me this guy right here, Kate Spade.
My daddy.
So let's check it out, guys.
Okay.
So there you are, guys. So pretty. And plastic. It's not box. It's a plastic. Okay. There you go. Wow. I chose this color because wala pa ako ganitong kulay ng purse. So, white. Actually, ang gusto ni Brady is black. So, I was like, black again. Why don't I try white? So, there you go, guys. Look how pretty it is. There you go. And so, this bag right here is, it says pebbled leather. Pebbled leather. Pretty. And guys, so papakita ko yung mga compartments niya sa loob.
Just look at this. This is gummy sheet. How do you like this?
Ayan, more papers.
Papers.
Papers. Sorry, maraming papers. 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 And paper. More paper.
A lot of paper.
Oh wow. That's so nice. It's big from the inside like that. So I can put lots of stuffs here. And then there's like a pocket inside where you can put like your key, cell phone, your purse, your mini wallet, your card. So you can put there with zipper. And there's like a tag. Kate Spade. So it is big from the inside and it has a zipper. There you go. And yeah, I love it, guys. I think I can recommend this tote, whatever you call tote bag. Ayan. Thank you, and I hope you guys like my video today, my mini vlog for today. Kate Spade, New York. My mini unboxing ng person. Alright, bye guys. Thank you for watching.